Hello students, welcome to our next video tutorial on projections of planes. We are at unit number 4, projections of planes under the topic plane inclined to both reference planes. We are at exercise number 9, problem number 7. So probably this will be the last problem of the exercise. You can get the question. Draw the projections of a circle of 50 mm diameter resting in the HP on a point A on the circumference. Its plane inclined at 45 degrees to HP, and two questions in this, very big question and important in exam point of view. Right, the top view of the diameter AB making 30 degrees angle with the VP. The diameter AB making 30 degrees angle with the VP. See, difference questions. Draw the projections of a circle 50 mm diameter. Its plane given is circle, dimension is 50 mm diameter. Coming to the next location, resting in the HP on a point A. He is given that point name also A on the circumference. Where is that point A is? It is on the circumference. Its plane inclined at 45 degrees to the HP. Plane inclined at 45 degrees to the HP, and the top view of the diameter AB 30 degrees, making angle 30 degrees with the VP. Same stage by 3 stages. Stage 1, stage 2, and coming to the stage 3, what the answer he is asking is top view of the diameter AB. Whatever the stage 2 answer which we will draw, which we get, right, and that particular diameter AB is making an angle of 30 degrees with the VP. Same way, he is directly mentioning diameter AB making 30 degrees with the VP. Let me give clarity about this second question later. First we will go with this question. Now, projections of a circle of 50 mm diameter resting in the HP. Right, circle is resting in the HP. See, probably I will consider a circle. This circle is resting in the HP completely. Right, you know, this is completely resting in the HP now, as of now. 50 mm diameter resting in the HP on a point A, capital A, right, on a point capital A. See, let me show you this. A, B, C, D. See here, whatever the things which I am writing, see, I am considering point A here, which is on the HP. Now that point A is on the circumference. This point A is on the circumference. Now it is resting in the HP on a point A on the circumference. It is resting on the HP on a point A on the circumference. Right? It's not totally resting with its surface on HP. It's resting on HP on point A, which is point A, this end, on its circumference, means like this, with respect to HP. Now, its plane is inclined at 45 degrees to HP. If it is resting with a single point, it may like this. If it is resting with single point A on HP, now surface is inclined at 90 degrees to the HP. But here condition is 45 degrees to the HP, like this. Right? Now, after that, the top view of the diameter. Now, if you are looking the top view of this particular position, this top view will make like this. This top view will look like an ellipse. Now that diameter AB is making an angle of 30 degrees with the VP. Whatever the diameter AB, see, it's A, it's B. You may get confused. It's A, it's B. AB. A is in HP, right? B, when it is 45 degrees inclined to this HP, top view will look like ellipse. Now this diameter AB is inclined at 30 degrees to the VP. We are supposed to draw its projection. Means when you are looking at the stage 3 front view and top view, they both will look like elliptical shapes. Right? So hope you understand this concept. First, initially I have kept the circle on HP, but resting in the HP on a point A, on point A only. Right? This is point A, it is point A. It's resting on HP with point A, and its surface making an angle of 45 degrees with the HP. Now if you observe, with the HP this surface is 45 degrees. Now we are supposed to follow the next first question. Top view of this diameter AB making an angle of 30 degrees with the VP. When this is rotating like this, now front view will look like also an ellipse. From here which you are looking, top view also will look like an ellipse. How to draw? Right, stage by steps. Right, we have to remove the angles. Right, as per this A question, we are making this 30 degrees into normal position, straight AB. Now, whatever the AB 45 degrees angle is there, we are removing it and keeping it like this. Now, what you can draw? You can draw true shape. In which view you can draw true shape? Top view. Top view you can draw its true shape. Now, front view it will be a straight line. So it's a little bit lengthy problem, but let me draw it very clearly. As I said, top view will look like a circle. I am using the same circle. Diameter AB, right, as per this circle center, diameter should be top view AB, right. With this diameter, keeping these numbers fixed. Why? Because he is telling point A on the circumference. You should have to take point A on the circumference. Later this, excuse me, I am taking one more diameter in vertical position. Let me do this as CD, two diameters, AB, CD. Now you are supposed to divide this circle into 12 equal parts, as you know, to get a neat elliptical shape. You can continue this numbering or you can do another numbering for your not confusing. A, B, C, D, right? The rest of this you can do E, F, G, H, I, J, but you will get confused. So let me do numbering in 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope you understand. AB, why? Because point A, to show this AB as diameter. Why? Because he is mentioned diameter as AB. Rest of the things are same. Right, now from here, projecting its front view. So this is XY line. 128, 227, C2D, 326, 425. 6. Now as it is completely resting on H pad, initial position to draw the true shape. Front view will be on XY line. A dash, B dash, sorry, D dash. Here you can see 1 dash, 2 dash, it's stage 1. Looking from here, front view, 3 dash, 4 dash, B dash, here for 4 brackets 5 dash, 6 dash, for D, C dash, for 2 brackets 7 dash, for 1 brackets 8 dash. First step or stage 1. Now second stage, we have completed, it is in the HP. Point A on the circumference and plane is inclined at 45 degrees. Point A is here, now plane is inclined at 45 degrees. Like this with the respect to HP. Now what happened when you are looking from the front view, whatever the line which you are looking at, the diameter AB, it will be inclined at 45 degrees. So that top view will look like an ellipse. So simple, whatever this diameter is given, it's 50 mm diameter, you can show with the help of dimension. Now this, taking another point here, 50 mm length, you know, at what angle? 45 degrees to HP. Draw a line of 50 mm because you know this length. For previously some problems where you don't know the exact length which come from the projection of the top view, you have drawn some length and that you have marked with the help of compass. Now it's, you know this, it's 50 diameter. So at 45 degrees, draw 50 mm diameter. Whatever this length is there, that length is supposed to be drawn. Same length I have to measure. Why? Because I have to get probably same length. Now same markings here, as this is on HP, it should be A dash compulsory. Now this should be B dash diameter. Next, in center D dash, brackets C dash. Now markings 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash bracket, 6 dash bracket, 7 dash bracket, 8 dash. Now projecting second stage top view from A dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, D dash, 3 dash, C dash, D dash. Probably I can fit right from here. It will be 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, D, 5, 8, 7, 6, C. See, same we got its intersection of all horizontal projectors and vertical projectors to project the second stage top view. Now intersection points, it's new shape, A to A, A1, B to B, B1. See, I'm just picking the points, C to C, C1, D to D, D1. Now rest of the things here, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1. Intersection points. Right? You have to keep the points. Right? Plot the points first and later try to draw its ellipse. A1, 1, 1, 2, 1, D1, 4, 1, B1. Not bad. Right? I got elliptical shape. Second stage top view. Hope you all understand. Right? First of all, initially true shape I have drawn. After that, 45 degrees to the HP. Right? Now comes into here. Now the new thing which we have to draw is from questions. Excuse me. See, A question. The top view of the diameter AB making 30 degrees angle with the VP. Top view of the diameter AB. Top view of the diameter AB. Here the top view, second stage top view diameter is here A1, B1. This is what making an angle of 30 degrees angle with the VP. VP angle inclination can be viewed in which view? Right? Top view. So here in the top view, right? Let me take a point here separately at an angle of 30 degrees. What should be there on 30 degrees? Diameter AB. Second view stage top view is A1, B1. Now on this you are supposed to plot A1, B1. Still I can reduce. You are supposed to reconstruct this ellipse here with the help of box method. Same, try to draw this. Already it's known to you. Box method, how to draw among these boxes. See, plot the boxes as per exact dimension with the help of box and compass. Now on this whatever the numbering which you have done, same A1 B1 you have done already, A1 B1. Now here C1 D1, same points, 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 1 7 1 8 1. Try to finish ellipse. A1 A1 B1 C1. This ellipse is to be rotated at an angle of 30 degrees with respect to A1 B1. Why? Because diameter AB making an angle of 30 degrees. Now same way we have to project its stage 3, which is nothing but here question A. B I will come to the next point. Now from here try to project its front view. Simple. A 1 1 2 1. See, you may get intersection points, you may not get, all depends upon you how you will draw the lines. As per procedure, try to follow and draw the lines. See, you may get the vertical projectors front and back, don't get to try to compare with mine. Taking its little bit of A to A. See here A. A1 dash B1 B1 dash C1 C1 dash D1 D1 dash. Just pick the points. Rest of the things will be as usual. 1 1 1 1 dash 2 1 2 1 dash 3 1. Where are you? 3 1 dash 4 1 4 1 dash 5 1 6 dash 6 1 6 1 dash. How about 7 and 8? 7 7 1 dash 8. Picking the points, just it may come front and after you follow the procedure. For me it is actually just joining the points. One point will be here on and remaining rest will be elliptical shape. See, I am not perfect over there, but you have to follow the procedure. Now that is number stage 3, question number 1 which you did. Now thing is that coming to second question B. See, diameter AB making 30 degrees angle with the VP. See, diameter. Now here comes the concept which we have to go back to our projections of straight lines. See here, diameter AB, it's a straight line. Here it's a straight line. This line is inclined at 45 degrees. Now here this top view is inclined at 30 degrees, which is nothing but A1 B1, which is already reduced diameter with respect to diameter, not with respect to the plane, with respect to the diameter. Now same way he is mentioning diameter AB making an angle of 30 degrees. Now line inclined to both the planes. See, line parallel, see here it is on XY, AB parallel. Now next stage, first stage we have drawn line inclined to HP, right? Next stage we are supposed to draw line inclined to VP with respect to the diameter AB. See how you can do that is, try to draw a line, right, which is almost at line of this A1 reference, just reference. I am taking this is A1. Now thing is that 30 degrees angle with the VP. What 30 degrees? What 30 degrees? Diameter AB. Diameter AB, right? Diameter AB means, what is the length of the diameter AB? It's 50 mm. 50 mm length should be in 30 degrees. Here, top view of the diameter AB. In the second stage, top view has become A1B1, which is reduced length. But here in this question, B question, diameter AB diameter AB is nothing but 50 mm. So, with respect to this, right, at what angle? 30 degrees. See here, 30 degrees. I am drawing a 30 degrees line. Of what length? See, I am not drawing it as A1, B1, I am drawing it as AB. So, why? Why? Because you see this, AB is 50 mm. He is telling diameter AB. AB is, top view AB is 50 mm. But here, AB, it's A1, B1, it's reduced. But think here, when line is inclined to both the planes, right, you can observe diminishing length in final front view and final top view. Am I right? When line is inclined to both the planes, line will be diminished in final diminishing length will be both in front view and top view. But you know this as A1, B1 as diminishing length. But you have drawn actually 50 mm. So you have to draw with respect to final diminishing length, not with respect to the original true length. True length we have drawn 30 degrees at true length of 50 mm. This AB here should be at 50 mm. For this, what we are doing is locus line, shortest length, right? What is the shortest length? This one, A1, B1. Find out the length, measure it with the help of compass. Now from here, cut arc. This becomes AB1. This becomes AB1. Now here if you observe, this becomes beta angle. Hope you understand. See, he is mentioning in the question diameter AB making an angle of 30 degrees. Right? What is the diameter actually? Top view diameter AB 50 mm. So that I have taken here A, B at an angle of 30 degrees. But when line is inclined to both the planes, nothing but here diameter AB is inclined to both the planes. It has inclined to 45 degrees with the HP, inclined to 30 degrees with the VP. But in actual, what happens? Final diminishing length will come into picture. Final diminishing length, how you can find out this? Already in the second stage we have drawn its diminishing length. Right? This diminishing length we have to measure and cut it here. This becomes AB2. Why? Because I have used A1, B1. Now this AB2. AB2 is final diminishing length. If you want, you can change its numbering like A2, B2. Why? Because it's a new thing, right? You have to keep it remember. Now with respect to this AB2, you have to reconstruct this top view here. Not confused. This one here. Now how? Box method. Simple box, same this box. Same. Don't get confused, everyone. It's a time taking and important lengthy problem. Now for this I can use some more. A2, B2 you have drawn already. I can write here C2, D2. Now try to pick the point, same. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, 2. Ellipse. Sorry, its diameter big, but you, right? Whatever the reconstruction part which you have did here from second stage to third stage, same here. But here in the second problem is taking a point, drawing 30 degrees AB, right? After drawing 30 degrees with original length 50 mm, don't forget this is 50. After that, in that you have to show this A2, B2, that with this length, right? This is, I can write just diminished length for your understanding purpose. Now after that, with respect to this, already A2, B2 is equal to A1, B1 as you have constructed, but the angle changes. It's not 30 degrees, it's beta. Now from here, project it for front view. Same lines. A2, B2, C2, D2. Just for purpose I am drawing, not any other things. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2. 4, 2. Already it's 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. You just go as per procedure in drawing that projection lines. Now here from the previous front view you can directly draw those lines. Nothing, right? Because all the points will be same. Same lines, extend them. Pick the intersection points for our final. Now next see from A2 to A2, right? A2 dash, B2 dash, C2 dash, D2 dash. For reference points inside other points. See, all I am doing is just picking the points, right? You just don't get confused that these are not 1, 2 dash, 2, 2 dash. You just follow as per your procedure. Now 2, 2, oh my god, 3, 2 dash, 4, 2 dash, 5, 2 dash, 6, 2 dash, 7, oh my god, 7, 2 dash, 8, sorry here, 7, 2 dash. See, I am not sure about the correct shape because points are different. Just try to join all those points, you will get something shape. Hope you all understand this, right? Let me just explain the question again. AB diameter as per the question. Circle of 50 diameter resting in the HP. 50 mm diameter resting in the HP. Right? Next, point A on the circumference. On point A on the circumference. Now its plane is inclined at 45 degrees to HP. Up to here, simple two-stage problem. We have to remove 45 degrees. Top view true shape, stage 1, front view diameter on XY line. Now next stage 2, plane inclined at 45 degrees. When plane is inclined at 45 degrees, diameter front view 45 degrees. Top view will be elliptical shape. Now coming to this question, top view of the diameter, whatever the top view of the diameter AB in the second stage, when it becomes A1 become A1 B1, that is making 30 degrees. Draw a 30 degrees line. On that plot A1 B1 with the help of box method. Construct here ellipse, project its front view. That's the first answer. Now next one, diameter AB, right? Whatever the 45 degrees is there, this AB line, whatever this AB line, right? Up to here it is 45 degrees. Now it is rotated to 30 degrees. Now when this is rotated to 30 degrees, line is inclined to both the planes. Diameter AB is inclined to both the planes. So in that concern, try to draw a small point anywhere A2. Draw 30 degrees line first. 30 degrees line first, right? Of true length 50 mm. That is important. AB you have to draw, right? There you have to draw the locus line. On that you have to show final diminishing length. How you have to show final diminishing length? From where? This A1 B1. Now plot new point as it becomes. Cut it here. Here you have to cut. This cut is very important. Now that gives new angle beta, right? Final diminishing length in top view. A2 B2. New points A2 B2. Now when they become new points, what happens? Now you have to construct this box here with respect to A2 B2 as you constructed with A1 B1 A2 B2. Same box. Construct the ellipse. Project it. Be careful while you construct the box, right? See, example I am telling you, this is the box which you are considering. Try to construct with respect to A1 B1 horizontal line, vertical line. Later try to measure these two distances with respect to these two, with respect to this, with respect to this, with respect to this, with respect to one original point. Measure the distances. Try to, with the help of compass, cut the arcs, draw the lines here like this. Now same way horizontal, with respect to here, measure these distances. Cut it here. Vertical, vertical, vertical. All your correct reconstruction depends upon your compass and how you construct the box. Lengthy problem, lengthy explanation, but working out is simple. But it's something like more lines. That's it. Problem is not complicated. Hope you all understand, and you will complete this problem and exercise 2. If you have any doubts, you can ask anytime. Thank you.